Unlock the secrets of the real estate market as we dive into programmatically accessing property data using Zillow's Rapid API. First, head over to RapidAPI.com and create an account or sign in if you already have one. This platform serves as the gateway to Zillow's powerful API. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the Zillow API. You might see a few options. Look for the one that best fits your needs, like a property data or valuation API. Now, let's examine the API's documentation page. Here, you'll find crucial details like available endpoints, required parameters, and example requests. Spend some time understanding this documentation. Pay close attention to the required parameters for your desired endpoint. Typically, you'll need things like your RapidAPI key, the search query address, city, state, zip code, and any other filters you want to apply. Most RapidAPI pages allow you to test the API directly within the browser. Enter your API key and parameters, and then hit the Test Endpoint button to see the results. Voila! You should receive a JSON response containing the property data. You can then copy this response into your application and parse this data using JSON libraries. Integrate the API into your code by sending requests to the Zillow API endpoint and retrieving the JSON data. Clean, transform and utilize the data in your desired way. You now have programmatic access to Zillow's property information.